with Holly. Today we're going to do You're a Grand Old Flag Patriotic Line Dance How-To. So come on with me as we try the fun and frisky steps for You're a Grand Old Flag. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1, 8 marches forward, starting left and right. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2, 2 kicks slow, or an advanced version, 4 kicks fast. First, the slow version. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kicks left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kicks left foot, done quickly. Left and right and left and right. And step 3, grapevine to left with a tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4, repeat the 4 kicks either slow or fast. Slow version, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast version, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Kicks right foot quickly. Right and left and right and left and. Step 5, grapevine to right. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 6, rocks forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 7, about face and march back. March. Forward, turn forward, march, march. Repeat from the beginning. When you put it all together, it looks like this. Every heart beats true under red, white, and blue, where there's never a pause for pride. What's the call of dragons at sea or not? Keep your eye on the grand old Patriotic holidays are a great way to celebrate our past. I love to dance and was inspired by the 4th of July holiday to create a new line dance for my class. The song You're a Grand Old Flag jumped out at me, so I put together a patriotic line dance how-to. The song You're a Grand Old Flag dates back to 1906. George Cohan originally wrote it as a grand old rag, based on a conversation he had with a Civil War vet with his tattered flag. It was quickly rewritten as Grand Old Flag. It was the first song from a musical to sell over 1 million copies. It has gone on to become a very popular American march for bands. I fashioned my line dance after the 1945 James Cagney version in Yankee Doodle Dandy. Our location was blue screened in. The Denver Courthouse graces the back of the cover photo, and the Colorado State Capitol with Civil War era cannon graces the background of the demonstration. The Colorado State Capitol was complete in 1901 after 15 years of construction, and the Denver Courthouse was completed in 1930, and the 3rd floor is dedicated to the governor's offices. Like and subscribe to our line and check out all our great videos at www.adventuresindance.com.